I made a free script for After Effects that allows you to apply a wiggle expression with custom controls really easily. The wiggle expression is one of the first expressions I ever learned for After Effects, and I've been using it ever since. So let me show you how this works. This is Wiggle Rig down here, docked in my workspace. And if you just select a layer and click the button, it's going to automatically find the position property and link it to expression controllers that it generates and names with that wiggle expression already applied. So I can control the variables of that wiggle, like frequency, amplitude, and a random seed, just by adjusting these values. So if I wanted this to happen more quickly, I could increase it to 6. Now it's 6 times a second instead of 2. Or if I wanted the amplitude to be much larger, I can increase that to 500, and it's gonna wiggle all over the place. And like I said, it defaults to the position value of that layer that you have selected, and you can do it to as many layers as you want at once. So now all of my layers are moving around. They all have their own controls. You can remove them just as easily. I'm gonna select all of these and click the button again, and it removes all of the controls and expressions, again, just for the position property by default. But you can apply this to any property. So if I bring up, say, the rotation of these layers, select them and click the button, now it's going to randomly rotate those layers or wiggle that rotation, again, with individual controls. But we can apply this to more than one property at the same time. Let me get rid of those one more time. I'll just select it and click the button again. And let's just go into the first box and we'll bring up the transform controls. So let's say I want the position, the scale, and the rotation to all wiggle. With those selected, I'll click the button and it generates unique controls for each one of those values. But let's say that I wanted the same wiggle values for all 3 of those properties. Well, I'll undo and hold down Shift and click on the button, and now all of those properties are going to share the same set of expression controls. So I can modify that frequency for all of them at once, as well as the amplitude and the random seed. So depending on how you want your wiggles across different properties to interact with each other, you have that option with a simple modifier. I'm gonna remove those expressions, and we have one other mode. Let's grab all 4 of these layers, bring up the position, scale, and rotation of all 4 of these and select them at once. I'll hold down the Alt or Option button and click on that to create a shared null object that serves as the holder for all of these controls, and all of those wiggle expressions are tied to this central location per property. So we've got scale, position, and rotation, frequency, amplitude, and random seed, and they're all controlled together. Wiggles can be used for all kinds of things in After Effects. Obviously, a bunch of random moving shapes isn't that interesting, but if I were to add, say, a fast box blur to these shapes, and I copied this one with property links, Control-Alt-C or Command-Option-C on a Mac, and pasted it on the other 4, now I can blur these all together, and maybe I set all of these to the Add Blend mode so that they look a little bit lighter. And why don't we go to the Properties panel and just make all of them larger. So I'll scale all of them up on that size, and we'll turn the opacity down a little bit. And now if I hit play, we're gonna get a bunch of random color blobs moving around, and that's giving us this really abstract background. And because all of the wiggle controls are contained in this null object, I could turn, say, the scale frequency down to 0.5, maybe the position frequency down to 0.25, and the rotation amplitude maybe down to, say, 20 degrees instead of 50. And now we're gonna get something that's a lot more subtle. And if I drag that opacity down even further, this is just a nice, abstract, colorful background that we have. These very smooth, flowing gradient shapes. Not that hard of a setup to create yourself, but it's just infinitely easier with this Wiggle Rig script. Now, you don't have to keep it docked in the UI panel, but if you want to, like I have it, just install the script in your Script UI's panel folder for the version of After Effects that you're using. There are installation instructions on the product page. If you've never installed a script before, you'll just need to restart After Effects and then you can find it in the window menu. But you can also use this script with tools like CodeRunner, which is another free script that I have. You can download both of these scripts in the description. It allows you to create buttons that launch scripts, apply expressions, or even presets, and assign it to a button that just pops open the window and allows you to use it exactly the same way as the docked panel version. You can also run this from the File, Scripts menu, or through tools like Kbar or Mobar. If you're users of either of those tools, they work great. Kbar even has arguments assigned to each one of these functions, and I've set up a Kbar toolbar included with the download, so all you have to do is import it to use it. Like I said, all All of those links can be found down in the description. Go check them out. And while you're on my website, make sure that you browse all of my other free tools as well as my paid courses if you're interested in becoming a better motion designer. And if you use WiggleRig and find some bugs or you have some feature requests, let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do about it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.